Harley Davidson has said it will offer an electric motorcycle within the next 18 months. The announcement accompanied news of additional job cuts and a plant closure at the Milwaukee-based company. It also came 4 years after Harley unveiled its LiveWire project, a prototype all-electric motorcycle. The president and chief executive officer of Harley Davidson told listeners during the call, "You've heard us talk about Project LiveWire. It's an active project we're preparing to bring to market within 18 months. The Harley Davidson LiveWire is an electric motorcycle prototype that was displayed to the media in June 2014. Prototypes were made available for public test rides at United States Harley dealerships in 2014, then Europe and Canada in 2015. If it is anything like its precursor, the new motorcycle, which was not named, will carry a roughly 50-mile range and be able to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4 seconds. By comparison, Zero's SR hits 60 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds, and the Mission R Racer has a top speed of more than 150 miles per hour, with a sub-3-second sprint time. A standard Ducati Monster 1200 motorcycle can hit 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds. Harley CEO said the company is working to increase the bike's current range between battery recharges from its current point of 50 miles to a minimum of 100 miles. Harley Davidson Chief Financial Officer John Olin said, "The company will spend $25 million to $50 million per year over the next several years on electric motorcycle technology. The goal is to be the world leader in the electric motorcycle market." Harley Davidson executives will market the production version of the electric bike to a broad spectrum of buyers, basing the plan on research from the 12,000 people who rode LiveWire.